and welcome to the Math League YouTube channel. The following video was recorded by one of our staff members live at one of our contests.
I'm Isaac, an Internet Math League, and I'll be presenting one of the sprint problems. All right, here's the problem. So this is sprint 10, and let's read it. A rectangle has a width of 12 and a height of 8. As shown below, a triangle is shaded in the rectangle. And the corners of the triangle are a corner of the rectangle and the middle points of the two sides of the rectangle. And we want to find the area of this shaded triangle. Okay, suppose we don't know any particularly advanced geometry theorems or whatnot. So, I mean, we could find the side lengths of this triangle, but let's try to figure out like a more fun way to do this problem without having to use the formula for an area of a triangle. Well, since these are the middle points of the rectangle, what we can do is divide this rectangle up into a bunch of smaller areas. So we can cut the rectangle in half by connecting these two middle points, and we can connect these other two middle points across like this. So now we have quartered this rectangle, right? So this rectangle is now quartered. So this rectangle here is just a quarter of the area. Now, what is the triangle up to? Well, this shaded triangle is obviously just half of the area of this rectangle here. So what can we conclude? Well, if we divide these other three rectangles up into triangles, then we get that if we take 8 of these shaded triangles and just fill out the rest of the rectangle, this rectangle has the area of 8 of these triangles. So now, since we know the area of the rectangle, we can find the area of this small triangle. It should just be 1/8 of the area of the rectangle. And that is simply just 12 times 8, and then divided by 8. And these 8s cancel out. 12 times 1, and it's 12. So this is our answer.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.